Welcome to my channel. Today let's learn tricks and techniques in mathematics. So let us check it.
Hello, Namaskar. Today we have come up with a new topic of statistics, which is mode of group data. So mode is that value among the observations which occurs most often. That is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. So we have a formula here. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught divided by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of model class, H is the class size of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, F naught is the frequency preceding the model class, which is always to the left of the frequency. F2 is the frequency succeeding the model class, which is to the right. So to understand this better, let us go to the exercise and solve some problems.
Is this how you repay me?
The following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in a hospital during a year. Ages 5 to 15, number of patient we have 6. Ages in years 15 to 25, number of patient 11, 25 to 35, 21, 35 to 45, 23, 45 to 55, 14, 55 to 65, 5. Find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So let us solve it. Here from the table it can be observed that the maximum class frequency is 23, belonging to the interval 35 to 45. So model class is 35 to 45. As observed from the table, maximum class frequency is 23, belonging to the interval 35-45. So therefore model class is 35-45, lower limit L is 35, frequency F1 of model class is 23, frequency F0 of class preceding the model class is 21, frequency F2 of class succeeding the model class is 14, class size H is 45 minus 35, which is 10. So using the formula mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into 8, we substitute the value and calculate it. So we get 3 minus 21 is 2 divided by 23 is 46 minus 35 within bracket into 10, so which is equal to 35 plus 2 into 10 is 20 by 11, which is equal to 35 plus 1.81 after dividing, which we get as 36.8 approximately. So therefore mode is 36.8. It represents that the age of maximum number of patients admitted in hospital was 36.8 years. Now let us calculate the mean. Here we are preparing the table for mean, and we are trying to find out the class mark by adding 5 and 15 and dividing it by 2. Our lower limit plus upper limit, dividing it by 2. Here we get 5 plus 15 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. 15 plus 25 is 40, divided by 2 is 20. Likewise we get the other, which is 30 here, 50 here, and it is 60. Out of this all, we choose 30 as our assumed mean. And we find out di, which is xi minus a, xi minus 30. So 10 minus 30 is our minus 20. 20 minus 30 is our minus 10. This is 0 here. 40 minus 30 is 10. 50 minus 30 is our 20. 60 minus 30 is our 30. Now we multiply fi and di. These two we multiply it to get 6 into minus 20 is minus 120. 11 into minus 10 is minus 110. This is 0 here. 3 into 10 is 230. 14 into 20 is 280. 5 into 30 is 150. We group it together, negative sign and positive sign, to get a total of minus 230 here, and here we get 660, where we get summation fi di as 430. So from table, assume mean method, we have mean formula as a plus summation fi di 5 summation fi. So we put the value 30 plus 430 by 80, cancel this 0, get it 30 plus, after dividing we get 5.375, or it is 35.38 approximately. Here another question we have. The following data give the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical component. Here the table given below. Determine the model lifetime of the component. So from this table we have observed that the maximum class frequency is 61. So we circle it. So this will be our model class. So lower limit is 60. Frequency of the model class is our 61. This is our F1. Frequency preceding the model class is 52. Succeeding the model class is our F2 38. So let us solve it, and class size we have 80 minus 60, it will be 20. So let us solve it, put it in the formula. So we have here put in the formula L value 60 and F1 is 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38. So this we have here 60 plus 9 into 20 divided by 122 minus 90. So this after calculation we have 9 into 20 divided by 32. 4 is 32, 4 5 is 20. So this is equal to 60 plus 45 by 8. So after calculation we have as 60 plus 5.625. So the answer will be 65.625. Therefore model lifetime of electrical component is 65.625 hours. Hope you are enjoying it. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the family. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So we are going to solve it now. It is observed that here maximum class frequency is our 40. So belonging to 1500 to 2000 interval. So model class will be 1500 to 2000. So our lower limit is 1500, 1500. Frequency of the middle class, so F1 will be our 40. Frequency F0 our class preceding the model class is 24. Frequency F2 of class succeeding the model class is 33. So class size is 2000 minus 1500, which is 500. So let's put this value in the formula and calculate the mod value. So we put the values here in the formula. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is our 1500 plus F1 is our 40, F0 is our 24 divided by 2 into 40 minus F0 24 minus F2 is 33 into H is 500. So after calculation we have 16 divided by 80 minus 57 into 500. So this is equal to 1500 plus 8000 after multiplying divided by 23. So this will be 1500 plus 347.826, which after adding is 1847.826 and approximately 1847.83. Therefore model monthly expenditure was rupees 1847.83. Now we have to find out mean. This is our mod. So we make a table and found out the class markers. We add it and divide it by 2. 1000 plus 1500 is 2500 divided by 2. If we find others, number of families are given in the question. EI, we got xi minus a, which is xi minus 2750. So 1250 minus 2750 is minus 1500. Likewise we got the others and we divide it by 500, where h is given by 100. 1500 minus 1000 is 500. So divided by 500. So we have divided this by 500 and we got minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and multiplied 24 with it, minus 3 and got it this. Likewise the others also we got minus 80, we got this one as minus 33 and total is minus 185. So this is 32 into 2 is 44, 16 into 3 is 48, 7 into 4 is 28, total is 150. The sum of these two is summation of IDI dash, which is equal to minus 35. Total of this frequency is 200. So we from table we have written these things, and by step division method we have A is equal to 2750 plus within bracket minus 35 divided by 200 into 500. So this will be equal to 2750. After calculation we have plus into minus is minus, so it is 87.5. So after calculation we will have 2662.5. Therefore mean monthly expenditure was rupees 2662.50. This is our answer. Here we have a question. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary school of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. From this table we can see that we can observe that the maximum class frequency is 10. So belonging to class interval 30 to 35. So therefore model class is 30 to 35. So class size is our 35 minus 30 is 5. Lower limit is our 30. Frequency of the model class F1 is 10. Frequency F0 of the class preceding model class is 9. Frequency F2 of class succeeding model class is 3. So we calculate with the data given. So we wrote the formula mod equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we substitute the value. L is 30 and F1 is our 10, F0 is our 9. So 2 into F1 is 2 into 10 minus 9, F0 minus F2 is our 3 into H value is our 5. So we calculate it here and get value as plus 1, 10 minus 9 is 1, there 20 minus 12 into 5. So this will be equal to 30 plus 5 by 5 1 5 by 20 minus 12 is our 8. So this is 30 plus, if we divide we get it 0.625. So this is 0.625 as our mod. Now let us calculate the mean. Here we have class size 8 is 20 minus 15 which is 5, and we have written the class and we found out the class mark. We added 15 plus 20, 35 divided by 2 is 17.5. Likewise we got the other number of states UT which is Fi which is given in the question itself, and we take this 32.5 as our assumed mean. So we calculate di equal to xi minus a, which is xi minus 32.5. So 17.5 minus 32.5 is minus 15. This minus this is minus 10 minus 5, and here likewise we got the other, and we get di dash which is di by 5 which is minus 15 by 5 is minus 3. This is minus 2 and it is here minus 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 1 2 3 4, and we calculate this one. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 8 into 2 is minus 16. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. Total is minus 34, and 3 into 1 is 3. 0 0 into 3 0. 2 into 4 is 8 which is 11. The sum of these two is summation fi di dash which is minus 23. So from table we have fi summation fi is 35, summation fi di dash is minus 23, h is 5, a is 32.5. By step division method we have, and we substitute the value and calculate it. We get, after calculation, so plus into minus will be minus 23, 5 7 is 35, so 23 by 7, so it is 32.5 minus 23 divided by 7 is 3.28. After subtracting it we get 29.22. Therefore mean of the data is 29.2. So here we have a question. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches. Where the table is given, find the mode of the data. From the table we have that the maximum class frequency is 18 belonging to class interval 4000 to 5000. Therefore model class is 4000 to 5000. Lower limit L will be 4000. So H will be our 5000 minus 4000 will be 1000. Frequency F1 of model class is our 18. Frequency F0 class preceding model class is 4. Frequency F2 class succeeding model class is 9. Then we shall use the formula to calculate it. By the formula, mod equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the value of L 4000 plus F1 as 18 minus F0 is 4 divided by 20 F1 is 2018 minus F0 is 4 minus 9. So 4000 plus 18 minus 4 is 14. 2 18 is 36 minus 13 into 1000. So it is 14,000 divided by 23. So after dividing it we get 4000 plus 608.695. So by adding we get 4608.695. Therefore mode of the given data is 4608.695. This is our answer. Here we have a question that a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a rod for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Here from the table we have observed that the maximum class frequency is 20 belonging to 40 to 50 class interval. So therefore model class is our 40 to 50. L is our lower limit is 40 here, and we have class size H is 50 minus 40 is 10. Frequency of the model class 20. Frequency F0 of class preceding model class is 12. Frequency F2 of class succeeding model class is 11. So we solve it using the formula. Here table we have maximum class frequency as 20 which belongs to interval 40 to 50. So therefore model class is 40 to 50. So L is our 40. So H is 50 minus 40 is 10. So frequency of the model class F1 is 20. Frequency preceding the model class is F0 equal to 12. Frequency succeeding the model class is 11. So mod we have L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We substitute the value here 40 within bracket. F1 is our 20 minus 12 F0 20 minus 12 minus 11 and calculate it. We get 40 plus 20 minus 12 is our 8 divided by 40 minus into 10. So this is 40 plus 8 times 80 divided by 17. After calculation we have dividing it, we get 4.7. So it is equal to 44.7. Therefore mod of this data is 44.7 cars. This is our answer.
Here we have a question. The following data gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Table given below. Find the mode of the above data. Also find the mean using empirical formula. Given that the median for the above data is 138.5. From the table we have the highest frequency as 14 and frequency preceding the model class is 12 and frequency succeeding the model class is 8. As we have the frequency 14, we have our model class as 120 to 140, from which we can find out the size of the class interval as 140 minus 120. Now let us calculate with the given formula, where we substitute the value and let us calculate it. We have the answer. After cutting we have 4 are 8 and 4 5 are 20. So we have 120 plus 5, which is equal to 125 as the mod. So now let us calculate the mean with the empirical formula. The empirical formula here, mod equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Since median is given 138.5 and mod we just calculate it now, which is 125. So 3 into 138.5, we have to calculate the mean. So after calculation, multiplication, we are having this one as 415.5 minus 2 mean. So 2 mean is equal to 415.5 minus 125. After subtraction, we are having here 290.5. So if we try to calculate mean, we have to divide 290.5 by 2, which after dividing it, we get 145.25. This is our answer. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.
Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.